Hey guys, it's me, Dan, just videoing from my house. This is just a little vlog to let you know what the weather's like out here. It's brutal. It's really windy out. And there's little Jack. There's my baby. I got little Jack here. Little Jack. Little Jack, come here. Come here. There's a little Jack here. Oh, Jack, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you're excited. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. My little boy's here. Got Jack in the video. Little Jack. Hi. 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 How are you? Go back in. Go back in, sweetie. Go back in. Go back in. Hi. 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 Go back inside, sweetie. Go back inside. Bye, baby. You're welcome. Yeah, so this is my neighborhood here. Just really nice neighbors. They're really chill. Yeah, I hope everybody saw that. Little Jack there. He's my little buddy. He keeps me, he's like my therapy pup. My little therapy pup. This is my friend Sammy.
What's up?
She's got a big channel coming up really soon too. She's got some big things coming. So check it out. Make sure to subscribe. No, I'm really looking forward to this. This has been a project that we've wanted to do for some time. Not just me, but Sam included. We've wanted to make some big things happen, so big shit's coming. You guys better get fucking prepared, because it's going to be huge. We're going to blow up YouTube. Straight up. We're taking over the YouTube territory, and
Shit, I look so white.
yeah, this is really weird.
It's because I'm more into the, more in the light than anything.
This is so cool. No, but
Sweater, by the way. It says it's instructions for this.
yeah, very good sweater. Very good sweater. No, but I want you guys to stay posted and stay subscribed. Make sure to subscribe to Sammy and give her some love. And subscribe to both my channels, Daniel Kinsman and Daniel the Official Avatar. And there's new projects coming up weekly now, so maybe even a couple in a week. You never know. There might be a big surprise coming your guys' way, so just stay tuned. Love you guys. Take care. It's windy out here.